Hey everyone, welcome back to DelphStack Tech Tutorials. I will show you how to get a compass on your Google Maps. What you have to do is go to Google Maps on whatever you are using right now, either the desktop or your mobile phone. So the first step is to search the location you want to see, whether it is north facing or south facing or whatever you are looking for in order to get the compass. So search on Google Maps. I will select the White House, which is situated here. Now you can see in the bottom left corner the layers option. You can click on it and select the satellite option. Now you can zoom in and you can see the White House clearly. To get the compass, you have to go to the layers option again, click on it, and then go to more. What you have to do is select the globe view. After selecting this, the compass will pop up here on the right side. Click on the compass. The red point will show the north face, and the white point will show the south face, so you can see the White House is south facing. So this is how we can get a compass on Google Maps. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorial notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.